Imagine if you could legally hijack 534 plus buyer leads per day, all 100% free, automated, and with a one-time setup that just takes 7 minutes to copy. Without having to build a website, pay for hosting, create a product, run ads on Google, Facebook, or anywhere else, without having to spam groups on LinkedIn or other social media sites, and without having to lift a finger after your initial 7-minute setup. If that sounds good to you, it gets even better. Hi, my name is Anthony McCarthy. Myself and my partner Alan will share with you this unique, proven, 100% newbie-friendly method that leverages our gift engine traffic source to legally siphon unlimited leads and commissions. And it's a 100% set and forget system with virtually no effort to scale. And the best part is, no one else is doing this. No, not even the gurus of our industry. Why? Well, simply put, they thought this traffic method had died. And it did. Until we found a way to bring it back. This time, it's more powerful than ever. Now, Alan is going to share with you exactly what this is all about.
Hey, it's Alan Maglioka, and I'm not going to waste a minute of your time here because time is money. Look, if you're not getting the results you want online, it's because you need traffic. And not just any traffic, buyer traffic. And then you need to get them on your list to become leads so you can make money from them. Then you can promote virtually any link you want to them, and they'll be more than willing to buy whatever it is you're selling, which will stuff your accounts with more commissions. Or maybe you just need more traffic. We all want more traffic, right? Or maybe your targeting is off and you need more relevant traffic. Whatever the reason is, traffic is money. And if you don't have free targeted buyer traffic, you aren't going to make any money. In most cases, you actually lose money, as we have many times before. But that's okay because we finally created the ultimate solution for you. Setting up simple gift engines is the key to getting unlimited free laser targeted traffic, and it's only attainable via the traffic heist method. As I mentioned, nobody is doing what we're doing, period. And certainly nobody knows better than we do the pain and suffering that comes along with trying methods that simply don't work. And traffic heist is actually a new twist on a tried, tested, and proven method that has generated millions in revenue for us over the years. I'm sure you've heard before not to reinvent the wheel, right? And we 100% agree, especially when there are methods that have been battle tested and proven to get insanely profitable results. Sure, making some updates for 2021 and beyond makes sense, but there's no reason to constantly invent new things. In fact, the more proven a method is, the better. And this 12-year-old lost treasure method is no different. It automatically hijacks swarms of unlimited free buyer leads to your account every single day. This method will take you from newbie to real affiliate marketer within a matter of days from right now. And you can start today with no product, no audience, no skills, and no experience needed whatsoever. As a matter of fact, the less you know, the better. That way, it's easier to follow our paint by numbers method without any distractions. And the best part is, you can do it 100% risk-free. Get ready to tap into this unlimited free buyer source that everyone, even gurus, forgot exists. While the world around us changes and technology improves, humans don't actually change all that much. It's amazing how certain tried and true methods still work years later. And this method is no different. It works, and it works very well. And with the added tweaks that we just made, it's crushing it in 2021 and beyond. Remember how I said traffic equals money? Well, the same is true whether the traffic is free or paid, but free traffic equals free money. In other words, free traffic equals more sales. And as a result, more sales equals more money in your pocket. Traffic heist is the secret to free traffic and commissions. All it takes is 3 simple steps. Step 1, activate your gift engine. No tech skills needed. We walk you through the entire process. Step 2, create your listing in 7 minutes or less. Step 3, watch the results come in. So why should you trust us? Well, Anthony and I have both been around for more than a decade and generated millions online from the free traffic method you're about to get your hands on. We've rarely taught this to anyone, even our high-ticket clients who pay us $5,000 plus for consulting. And the reason for this is very simple. We needed technology to integrate with our actual method in order for it to be a truly passive, and steady flow of buyer leads pouring into your accounts. And once we finish building the technology part, we let some of our clients use our system. And you can check out their reviews below this video. Now, let's get right to it. We know that Traffic Heist is exactly what you need right now to get more leads and more commissions. How do I know this? Am I psychic? Nope. I just know that everyone needs more leads and more sales. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or already generating hundreds of dollars a day, you still need the Traffic Heist system. So go ahead and click any of the buttons on this page and get in now for the lowest price you're ever going to see this. And when you do get in, here's our promise to you. We appreciate and understand that you've probably come across methods before which simply don't work. That's why we want to make this as risk-free as humanly possible for you. We're so confident that our system works, we'll give you 30 days to use it 100% risk-free. If you try this method and follow our instructions to the T and aren't happy with your results for whatever reason, just hit up our support and we'll give you a full refund credited right back into your account. But I do want to give you a fair warning. So here's the deal. You have to act quickly if you want to save big on access to Traffic Heist. We simply can't offer such a low price for long. As a matter of fact, Anthony and I discussed increasing the price to $97 once launch is over. So if you're in desperate need to get more traffic, more leads, and more sales through leveraging our powerful free buyer traffic generation system, now is the time to act. Not in a few days from now, okay? So our goal is to help as many people as we can through this, but we also don't want to shoot ourselves in the foot at the same time. That's why we're putting a hard limit on the time frame of this special discount launch period. So act now to save 95% off the regular cost of entry. Hit the buy button below this video right now, and we'll see you in the Traffic Heist VIP member portal.